bright, Prophet's journey, pure delight. He prayed with the prophets under the stars so high, and brought back the gift of 5 daily prayers to the sky. Let's celebrate this special night, Shabe Meraj, a pure delight.